So we're going to try to factorize this one completely again. Here we go. 15. I might need a bit more room, so let's go up. Okay. 15. Here we go. 15x cubed. I'm not used to it yet. Plus 14x squared minus 3x minus 2. Okay. Well, at first sight, you might think it's only plus minus 2 and plus minus 1. Right? Which is, that's all we got. So let's sub them in and let's see. Again, you should have a p of x here. Not used to it yet. P of x, okay? And then we're going to try sub in each one. So here we go. I'm going to sub in 2 first. Shouldn't work. Yes, it doesn't. Okay, so P of 2 gives me 168. Okay, P of 2 gives me 168. I'm like, okay, maybe I should just try, since I'm there, all I got to do is go back and put a negative in front of each one. And I'm going to do P of minus 2. P of minus 2 gives me minus 60. Alright? Then I'm like, okay, maybe it was the easier one. Maybe it was P of 1. Well, P of 1 is 15 plus 14 minus 3 minus 2. That definitely won't give me 0. And then we'll just try P of minus 1. That's minus 15 plus 14. And then we got plus 3. And then we got take away 2. P of minus 1 gives me 0. So unlucky for me, it was my last one. But hey, at least it worked. Now, if neither of these worked, actually, I'm not going to say it yet. I'm going to show you how we could have worked out the other ones if it didn't work, but I won't say it yet. Okay, so here we go. We've got a factor of x plus 1. Okay, now I know the first one should be what?
X squared.
No. I want 15x cubed.
15x squared.
Yeah. Can you see you're kind of doing the polynomial division, but really fast?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that, because that usually would be on the top. Like, yeah. You're just doing it really fast. Okay, here we go. Minus 2, obviously that's 1. There should be a minus 2 at the end. And then we want a 14x squared. We're going to get that through a 15 plus pretty much an ax again. Right? Whoops. Just an a. Right? 14 from here must equal to the 15, the expansion of this, plus the expansion of that x and that, so which is a. And that gives me a is minus 1. So minus x. Right? You should understand to factorize this fully. You got to check it at least. Me, I'm not going to actually do it the cross method. I'm just going to use quadratic formula and just see if there is any solutions there, which obviously there should be, I think. Here we go. X equals to minus b, 1 plus minus square root b squared, 1 minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. Minus 4 times 15 is minus 60 times minus 2 is 120 plus 1 is 121. Square root of that is 11. So we go, that's 1 plus minus 11 over 30. 1 plus 12, 1 plus 11, sorry, is 12 over 30 is 2 over 5. Oops, 2 over 5. Right? And then the next one is 1 minus 11. Anyways, minus a third. Okay? Now that tells me these are my other two. Oh, well, now you know what the other two were. Right? I just proved them to you. I just proved them the other two solutions that if minus 1 wasn't working, it was going to be 2 over 5 or minus 1 over 3. How would you have worked that out? Okay. It's different combinations of this term and this term. Divided. This divided by that though. Alright? So it could have been, like I said, this was plus minus 2 plus minus 1. This has plus minus, you know what, plus minus 5, plus minus 3, plus minus 15, etc. And then you can see the combination, in this case, as it says, is 2 over 5. So 2 over 5. Okay. And then minus 1 over 3. 1 over 3. And you don't know, this is negative, this could have been positive, this could have been negative, that could have been positive. But you see there's really a lot of combinations for this case. So hopefully, again, only in extension 2 they'll do this. in extension 1, it's mostly like these ones. Okay, they'll at least give you one nice one. Alright, now how do I write this in its factors? Here we go. X plus 1, x, 5x, sorry. Does the rubber work? Actually rubs out like rubber. Okay. 5x minus 2, I'll explain that right now. And then this one should be 3x plus 1. Now, do you get how I did that? In other words, don't forget, these have to equal to 0 for me to get this. So I know if it's negative, I'm meant to have a positive. If it's positive, I'm meant to have a negative. Now, I'm thinking, how would I have got a division of 5? Well, it must have been multiplied by 5. And that's where I get 5x take away to 3x plus 1. And then you can just see it. If I equal to 0 here, solve for it, I'm going to get x equals to 2 over 5. And that's it right there. And that's it. That's the product of its factors. Oops. Product of its factors. All good?